Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to switch professional account on Instagram. So let's begin our video. So here you can see this is my Instagram profile. Right now it's personal account and I want to convert it to professional account. So let's begin. First of all, I just need to click on the top right corner 3-line menu bar icon and then select settings and privacy. Right now you just need to scroll down and you can find account type and tools. Select it. Right now select switch to professional account. Then continue, 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 again continue. Select on digital creator, then done. Wait for 30 seconds, then next, not now. And that's it. Right now your account already professional account converted. So that's it guys. I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.